we asked an HR professional, a software engineer, and a designer to document their journey with yoga. Here's what they had to say.
I have been practicing yoga for a few months now.
I think I started practicing about 1.5 to 2 years back.
I think I started from December 2003.
A sedentary lifestyle. There's not much movement. You just go to office, sit on your desk and work. So I thought I should give yoga a try.
What motivated me was my friend. Because of health reasons, I was asked to lose weight, and she at that time got in touch with me. We were just talking, and she was telling me about how she's been doing yoga virtually. She nudged me to do a trial class. I did that trial class. I really liked this teacher, so then I just ended up sticking with it.
Actually, my wife forced me, and that time she was my fiance, and she forced me to come into this thing, to try it, the Sahaj Yoga meditation which I do. I just went there and just started there, let's see क्या होता है देखते हैं.
I sleep well because if some kind of physical activity kind of tires me a bit, and I sleep well.
I think what worked for me this time around was my teacher. The aspect of her explaining things and then me becoming more aware of my body is what drove me.
From the last 20 years, I'm doing it. I think it's my life. I can't live without it. Yeah, now it's I can't imagine without it.
I feel much relaxed. I choose to do yoga outdoors, which is quite breezy and windy. It gives me so much of a fresh feeling.
It does give me peace in some form or the other. I don't know if it's just my personality or if I see yoga doing it, but I do see me becoming a bit more calmer in general.
If I like it, I feel mental peace and I have a feeling of joy with it.
I kind of focus on my breathing and my meditation, so it kind of calms me down, calms my mind, and it's refreshing.
Because of yoga, because I'm so regular with it, my arm strength has improved and I can see that I'm able to lift heavier things and things like that.
Yes, bilkul. When I started it, I was having a severe asthma. After a year, I guess, it was completely gone. I had to have all 12 महीने की सर्दी बोलते हैं ना जिसको, वो बहुत रहती थी मुझे. वो भी कुछ टाइम बाद बिल्कुल ठीक हो गई.
Meditation helps me relax my mind and I stay calm for the rest of the day.
So our yoga teacher does something which is, I think it's called regenerative postures, where we basically get 4 or 5 pillows around us, and they're tough postures, but you do it in a way where you make your body comfortable. So you're every gap and curves that you might have, you fill it up with cushions so that you're comfortable in it, and then we have to stay in those postures for a good 5 minutes. I actually really enjoy that.
Every aspect of my life has been improved. मुझे टेंशन नहीं होता है. हम बिल्कुल टेंशन नहीं हो सकता मुझे.
I would advise everybody to take up yoga as a lifestyle change, which will benefit you in the long run.
Don't worry about flexibility or getting into a posture just because it looks cool. That's not the milestone of success in yoga. It's more about being regular and really understanding your body and just slowly getting to a posture. If you can't do a headstand today, that's fine. I'm sure in 3 weeks you'll be able to do it. So just be patient with it, understand your body and slowly get to it.
My life is I take it as a scientist. So how a scientist is keep yourself an open-minded person. I mean, you should be an open-minded person. Take it like that. क्या होगा आगे, मतलब आप करके देखिए, है ना, और आप करोगे तो आपको पता लगे. ऐसा नहीं कि पहले से ही सोच लिया कि no, something bad will happen or like that. You try it. If you gain something, then continue it.